Welcome to the INSPIFY Slide Overview Training module. In this module, we'll walk you through the amazing features and functionalities of our software, empowering you to make the most out of your creative projects. Let's dive right in. The Slide Overview is your one-stop shop for managing and organizing your slides. Here, you'll find a range of powerful tools to help you streamline your workflow and collaborate with others. First up, let's talk about Preview a Slide. Simply click on a slide thumbnail, and you'll get a quick preview of the content and design. Use this to review and refine your slides with ease. Next, you can Add to Favorites by clicking the star icon. This is perfect for keeping your best slides within reach. Now, on to Edit. Double-click on a slide, and you'll be taken straight to the editing interface. This is where the magic happens. If you want to create a copy of a slide with all its elements, use the Clone a Slide feature. This is a time saver when you're working on multiple variations of a slide. Need to rename your slide? No problem. Right-click on the slide and choose Rename from the context menu. Type in the new name and hit Enter. To delete a slide, simply right-click on the slide and select Delete. A confirmation window will pop up to prevent accidental deletions. You can also stay organized by creating a new folder. Just click the New Folder button, name it, and start adding slides to it. To move a slide to another folder, simply drag and drop the slide into the desired folder. Easy as pie. Now, let's talk about accessing different slide collections. At the top of the slide overview, you'll find My Slides, Shared Slides, Teams, and Collaborations. Click on each to navigate to the respective slides. Searching for a slide is a breeze thanks to our search bar. Just type in a keyword and watch the relevant slides appear. Accidentally deleted a slide? Don't worry. With File Recovery, you can restore deleted slides within a certain period. Time to get creative. Use the Design a Slide button to start a new slide from scratch or choose from a variety of templates. And for those moments when you want to bring your slides to life, use the Create a Video Slide feature to add animations, transitions, and more. Last but not least, let's talk about collaboration. With Add Collaborators, you can invite team members to join your project so you can work together and create amazing content. And there you have it. Now you know how to make the most of the slide overview, giving you the power to create, manage, and collaborate like a pro. Happy creating!